What if you could accurately model, analyze, and manage risks with just a few clicks? Sounds impossible, right? Not anymore. Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll quickly explore the world of risk simulator software. With just a few clicks, this powerful Excel add-in tool allows professionals to model probabilistic scenarios, quantify risks, and optimize decision-making in the same toolkit. As a key player in enhancing this tool, let's see how one of our team members introduces this advanced technology. It is revolutionizing risk quantification and data analytics, providing the most comprehensive library of quantitative methods and algorithms for making risk-based decisions in today's market volatility.
Risk management is a crucial aspect of business success. It's about avoiding surprises, but embracing uncertainties and turning them into opportunities. Effective risk management enables businesses to navigate unpredictability. However, without risk quantification, it remains a static tool and an academic exercise. To effectively manage uncertainties, a powerful analytical tool to quantify their impacts on business performance is essential. This is where the Risk Simulator comes into play. It is an Excel add-in software that facilitates Monte Carlo Risk Simulation. With simple clicks, users can apply probability distribution functions, set the number of trials and correlations, and obtain risk profiles for key performance indicators. Have you ever wished for a single tool that could unlock the secrets hidden within your data and perform forecasting analysis? The Risk Simulator supports these functions, including forecasting methods, predictive modeling, and statistical analysis. They enable users to move beyond traditional Monte Carlo simulation usage and understand factors such as seasonality, cyclicality, trends, and more. What happens when you need to select the best profit-making options? The Risk Simulator also helps integrate optimization models into asset allocation, portfolio analysis, and options selection. It supports deterministic, dynamic, and stochastic optimizations within your existing Excel spreadsheet models, providing a comprehensive solution in one tool. Professionals have found that the Risk Simulator can help them become experts in risk management by starting with Monte Carlo Risk Simulation and decision analytics. However, it also involves learning and applying various quantitative methods and approaches to support other business modeling needs. With the Risk Simulator software, businesses can step into a new era of risk quantification, predictive modeling, statistical analysis, and data analytics.
Know that it doesn't matter what industry you are in, energy, logistics, banking, construction, manufacturing, and the like, or what project or decision you are supporting. If risk management is not present, the result will be a risky judgment. Stay tuned as we share more insights into the Risk Simulator software. It is extremely easy to use in risk modeling and risk quantification, and it has everything you need in one solution. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment below or send a direct message.